What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have our monarch butterfly trees again. Okay, so here is my fence line. Just along here is where I'm going to put these monarch butterfly trees to grow up and create a fence line along there. I have dug already a hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 monarch butterfly trees will go in there. Now we are down at the back end of our property here, so it's pretty rugged and nature, if you will. Now I don't know if you guys can see me here, but I have these. Alright, so let's chuck this one in, dig a hole. So this ground is like super hard, so if we can just dig some of that out. So there's a basic simple hole. Take the plant, the swan plant, monarch butterfly tree, place it in the ground like so. Now I was going to use some potting mix, but I'm just going to be budget, because this is a free gardening channel. Going to be budget and just use the natural, very hard, compact ground the earth provided us, because these things will grow like bloody weeds. So the only real concern is keeping it moist, and this harsh earth does dry out pretty quick. But we are halfway through autumn, so we're about to hit winter, so I don't know if I'm actually being quite stupid planting these just before winter. They may not make it, but they are a pretty hard wearing sort of a thing, and we don't get a harsh winter here, so I'm reckoning that's going to be alright. Righto, so yeah, we just dig this out. This is me fork, dig a decent sort of a hole and just drop the specimen straight in. This one I am going to use some potting mix because it's a little bit small, this one, and it will need just a little bit extra help to get going, but it won't really need any much more than that. Righto, so this is just how easy it is. I've already planted 3 trees in that little space of time, and if anyone knows what the monarch butterfly looks like, this is just going to look fantastic. We'll be swarming in this. We literally got them off, as it said. Righto, so I just dig down into here, free up some of that harsh earth, take out a baby seedling. There's one there. Swan plant, monarch butterfly tree seed I call it. That's swan plant. If you're in America, hairy balls plant, swan plant, milkweed. There's so many different names. Those are the only 3 I can think of at the moment. But yeah, and once they get going, they are just fantastic. They really offer the foliage, offer the scenery, offer the precious monarch butterfly, which that's really priceless, isn't it? You couldn't really put a worth on that. To have 3 million monarch butterflies come to your backyard every season, every spring, day in, season in, season out. So yeah, I might even consider doing monarch butterfly tours, since I have got somewhere around 200 of these are planted in all over the place. Another specimen. Now I am getting these in pretty late. I've actually had these since November and it's now April, so I've been very lazy. They've actually become quite lethargic and stunted growth, not very good for them, but as I said, they are a weed, so I think they'll be all right. But yeah, any other gardener would say I'm mad. I should have got these in a long time ago, but hey, better late than never. Yeah, at least they're in. It's better than them not being in, which for a while there I thought I wasn't going to bother. They literally sat there for 4 months in seedling trays doing nothing, wasting the whole spring and summer. So now I'm just relying on not getting any heavy frosts through winter. A light frost will be okay, but if we get a heavy one, they'll be all buggered. But we will not get a heavy frost, I don't think. We're usually pretty lucky in that regard. Righto guys, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in. Let's go get some water. So we'll come around here to the rain barrel, fill them up. This is all precious rainwater. Makes your plants grow 10 times faster than tap water. Plants really do love a good drink of the rain. Righto, so we're back over at the site where we have plant number 1. What a beaut. So let's just give these a good drinking in, because she's dry around here, let me tell you. She's dry. Get that nice and moistured up. Beautiful. My little swan seed. Rightio, that's 5 trees in, guys. 1 there. You've seen it before over there. There it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That whole area will be a wall of monarch butterflies. I won't be able to see that neighbour's awfulness. Right. Hairy balls plant. Let me just show you what the Americans mean by that. There you go. Hairy balls plant. And of course they all take that shape. They grow in pairs like they do naturally. So yeah, that's the tree. Thank you for watching Free Gardening, and remember, Darcy WB Calloway is with you all the time for your gardening needs. And if you would like to learn how to garden from absolutely zero experience, simply drop a message in the comment section below, and I will help you to become a free gardener. Thank you.